बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम क्लास 12 फिजिकल एजुकेशन ऑफलाइन क्लास है। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फिजिकल फिटनेस। although there are 5 components of physical fitness, कल हमने पढ़ा था the first one that is the strength। आज the second component of physical fitness that is the speed means the moving ability of our body. Simply it's the ability to perform movements and actions at a fast rate. Simply it's the ability to move the body as fast as possible. Simple words में हम कह सकते हैं कि ability of our body to move, it's the ability of our body to move the body as fast as possible. Speed is basically dependent upon the heredity, but it can be improved to some extent. It depends upon the fibers and muscle fibers, white muscle fibers, red muscle fibers. It is a very important component of physical fitness, as well as it has very much importance in responses in the skills. गोया कि आज हम पढ़ रहे हैं the second component of physical fitness. The first one is strength, number 2 is the speed. Speed means the moving ability of our body to move fast. कितना फास्ट हमारी बॉडी मूव कर सकती है, what is the rate of what is the moving capacity of our body movements. Number first, but there are 5 types of speed in our body. Number first, the first one is the reaction time. Reaction time means if there are 5 types of speed, number first is the reaction time. Reaction time means it's among the speed of the body. ये भी एक speed का हिस्सा ही है reaction time. It is the ability, ये एक ऐसी ability है to react effectively towards a response. Meaning जैसे कि stimulus response को कहते हैं, that is the factor. कि रिएक्शन टाइम वो मूविंग एबिलिटी होती है, वो रिएक्शन एबिलिटी वो एबिलिटी होती है जिसमें क्या एक इंसान हाउ मच क्विकली वी विल रिफ्लेक्ट टुवर्ड्स द क्विक सिग्नल, टुवर्ड्स ए सिग्नल. जब whenever we gets a signal from our mind, whenever we gets a order from our nerves, जब हमें कोई ऑर्डर मिलता है, जब हमें कोई सिग्नल मिलता है, हाउ मच क्विकली वी विल रिस्पॉन्ड, दैट इज ऑल्सो ए फैक्टर, दैट इज ऑल्सो ए पार्ट ऑफ द स्पीड. It's possibly it's time taken for the responses. Sometimes some people take it very quickly, some take it very slowly, but reaction will be changed simply when there is a stimulus, how much responsive we are. It's the time taken to react for a certain signal towards a certain movement. उसको बोलते हैं reaction time. Simply whenever we get a signal, whenever someone asks us something, whenever someone asks us, we have to respond it very quickly. Meaning that is also a part of speed. उसको भी वो भी speed का ही एक factor है among the 5 types of the speed. Speed is the component of physical fitness, second component of physical fitness, and speed के जो है 5 types है. Number first, reaction time. Reaction time means the ability to do movements of a person after a signal. When we get a signal, how fast we will move our movements, our body parts. Number first is the reaction. Number 2 is the speed of the movement. Speed of the movements means simply the quickness and the alertness, fastness to complete our actions. Simply movements, it's the ability to do a single movement in a minimum time. जैसे कि ये speed is the performance requisite to do a motor action. But speed of the movements means the moving ability of our movements, जो हमारी moving ability of our joints, जो हमारी movements होते हैं, whatever movements we will do, we will do, we must make it very quick and fast. We must did it very quick and fast, so that will be called the speed of the movement. Speed of the movements means the speed of the movements, how much quickly and how much fastly we will move our limbs, our body parts. Number 3 is the acceleration ability. Acceleration ability means the ability to achieve the high speed from a stationary position, from a slow moving position. Simply when a body is running at a constant pace, जब हम किसी कांस्टेंट फेस में रन करते होते हैं, व्हेन एवर आवर बॉडी गेट सिग्नल टू एक्सेलरेट द स्पीड, अपनी स्पीड को इंक्रीज करो, तो हाउ मच क्विकली वी विल एक्सेलरेट इट, हाउ मच क्विकली वी विल इंक्रीज द स्पीड, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड द एक्सेलरेशन एबिलिटी. या समटाइम्स इफ वी आर रनिंग वेरी फास्ट, how much we will decline, how much time, हाउ मच टाइम इट विल टेक टू रिड्यूस आवर स्पीड, कितने टाइम में कम कर सकते हैं, कितने टाइम में ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं. दीज आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ द acceleration ability. Acceleration ability means when a body is in a stationary position, yeah, in a moving position, how much quickly it will increase or decrease, yeah, constant speed means it means the variations of the speed simply. Acceleration ability depends upon the explosive strength and techniques and frequency. Number 4 is the speed endurance. स्पीड एंड्योरेंस मीन इज इट्स कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ स्पीड एंड एंड्योरेंस. इसको हम बोलते हैं दैट आर पार्ट ऑफ स्पीड इन विच द स्पीड जो सपोर्ट्स मूवमेंट्स होते हैं. व्हेन वी परफॉर्म द सपोर्ट्स मूवमेंट्स अंडर कंडीशंस ऑफ फैटिग. व्हेन वी परफॉर्म सपोर्ट्स मूवमेंट्स अंडर कंडीशंस ऑफ फैटिग. स्पीड एंड्योरेंस जो होता है ये कॉम्बिनेशन होता है स्पीड और एंड्योरेंस का अंडर द कंडीशंस ऑफ फैटिग, अंडर द कंडीशंस ऑफ रेस्टलेसनेस, एग्जॉस्टनेस. When we perform the speedy activities, that will be called the speed endurance. Number 5, that's called the locomotor ability. Locomotor ability means to maintain the maximum speed of locomotion, to maintain the maximum speed of locomotion for maximum duration possible time. लोकोमोटर एबिलिटी वो एबिलिटी होती है जिसके सपोर्ट्स जैसे कि 100 मीटर्स 200 मीटर्स में हम देखते हैं कि सपोर्ट्स पर्सन मेंटेन a constant speed, maintain the maximum speed for a longer shorter duration, that will be called the locomotion ability. Means how much for how many time for how for what kind of duration we will make and we will run at a constant speed, that will be called the locomotion. These are the 5 parts of the speed, and speed is the second component of physical fitness जो आज हमने पढ़ा. Okay, thank you very much.